Hello everyone, I'm Divya, your math facilitator. So today let us discuss the most important questions of social. So I hope you have done your physics and biology very well. If yes, do let me know in the comment section. And social, let me give you the very important questions, the most expected questions. Okay. So I'll be giving you very less questions which are really important, right? So the very first question, if you see here, so please learn importance of Himalayas. Okay, from the first chapter, please learn importance of Himalayas, and also please learn how our northern plains formed. Okay, and their importance as well. And also here there is a map pointing here in this chapter. Okay, so the different plateaus, India. Okay, in India there is how where are Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats. So Malwa Plateau, Everest. So all these please learn where are you locating it. Indo-Gangetic Plain. So go through your textbook. So you learn that particular map. Okay, and also learn definitions like what are peninsula, what are duns, what is ist, gmt, right? And let's proceed to the next question, next chapter, ideas of development. So in this chapter you will learn, so you will learn about education in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, what was the state of education in Himachal Pradesh and what is your opinion on that? Okay, and also you will learn what is the notion of development, what is notion of development, and steps taken to improve schooling or education, I can say. Okay, and also what is public facilities. Learn these questions. Okay, so few are short, just the definitions, and you will just have to learn these questions from this chapter. Okay, so next let us talk about production and employment. So in this chapter, in production and employment, the important terms like what is disguised employment, what is primary sector, secondary sector, service sector. So all these are very short. Okay, and learn the differences between what is organized sector and unorganized sector. Okay, so learn the difference between this. And also sectors of economy. Learn what is sectors of economy. Okay, and also organized and unorganized difference. And when some situation is given to you, you should learn how to give your opinion here. Okay, if they are giving you some situation on social discrimination, so you should be able to give your opinion on that. Okay, now next is climate of India. So in climate of India, so again the definitions, what is weather, climate, climographs. Okay, so all these definitions you will learn what is isolation, trade winds, winter season, western disturbances. So all the highlighted words of your textbook are your definitions. So for 2 marks and 4 marks you can learn all of them. Okay, and for objective also you will get the same definitions. Now for 8 marks you will learn what are climate controls. Okay, for 8 marks you will learn this. What are climate controls and all factors, okay, or factors that are affecting climate. Okay, so this you will learn. What are the factors that affect climate, and also you will learn what are the human activities which are causing global warming. Very important. Okay, human activities which are causing global warming. So next let us proceed to Indian rivers. So in Indian rivers and water resources, again all the definitions you will learn for 2, 4 and multiple choice. Apart from the definitions, you will learn reasons for increasing pollution. Okay, reasons for the pollution which you are having right now, and what are the measures you can take. Okay, so this is one question. And also, uh, please learn the current laws of groundwater. Okay, so how are groundwater distributed, and also you will learn that topic here. And also here you will have a map, so please learn the map. So where is Brahmaputra river, where is Ganga river? Okay, so the different rivers. Here you will learn the different rivers here, and here the different regions. So in the first chapter, as I told you, here also there is a map pointing. You will learn different regions like the Gangetic Plain, Indo-Gangetic Plain and all. Okay, so Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, you will learn it here. And here you will learn the different rivers. Is it clear? Maps also I am telling you simultaneously. Now the next chapter, food security. So in this chapter, again all the definitions, what is famine and what is public distribution system, very important, what is buffer stock, and what is National Food Security Act 2013, what is the nutrition status. So all these are important, all the highlighted bold words of your textbook. Okay, so what is public distribution system, very very important. And what does National Institute of Indian National Survey indicate? Okay, so National Institute of Indian National Survey. So what does it say? Okay, that is important. And also National Food Security Act, as I told you just now. So Food Security Act 2013 is important. Along with this, please learn the relationship between underweight and access of food. Okay, so what do you mean by underweight? What is the relation between underweight and access of food? Okay, and what is your opinion or suggestion? If you see, for every chapter you are getting some opinion, suggestions, comment. Okay, so that topic you will learn. Okay, so you will learn about food grains production. Okay, you will learn what is food grains production and what do you feel about that, how can you increase food grains production. Okay, so what is your opinion on this, right? So here also, what do you think about current loss of groundwater? So that is one opinion. And what is human activities? What can you do for global warming? What is your opinion on that? What is your opinion on social discrimination? So in every chapter, you are actually giving your opinions or comments. Okay. Now let's proceed to the next chapter, sustainable development. Growing steadily. Okay, so sustainable development with equity, here also you have to learn all the bold letters. Okay, what is organic farming, what is spring farming, what is Chipko movement and Narmada Valley movement, very important. Okay, so what is sync function of development, and also what are the characteristics of traditional agriculture. So when you're learning about traditional agriculture, also learn about modern agriculture. Okay, also learn about sync farming and all. Okay, and what are the risks of chemical fertilizer? So what are the risks you face for chemical fertilizer? And what are the effects of modern agriculture? So as I told you, traditional you are learning, so you will also learn modern. Okay, the advantages and disadvantages as well. And so poster or pamphlet on environmental production. Okay, so a poster or pamphlet on environmental production, if it is asked, you will do this. And very important question is Chipko movement. Okay, and what are the measures you can take? What are the measures you can take for sustainable development? And also Narmada Valley movement. In this chapter, so few questions are more. Let's proceed to the next one. World between wars. World between world wars. So here in this chapter, You will have to learn the graph. You have map, sorry. So please learn the terms and conditions of treaty, German treaty of Versailles, okay, of Germany, and also you will learn the important features of militarism, okay, and also please learn the reason of US entry. Okay, so reason of US entry in First World War, and also learn what is the reason for Russia. Okay, reason for Russia to call Euro-Asian companies. Sorry, Euro-Asian power. Okay, so very important questions these are. And then you will learn what is causes of First World War. The causes, and you will learn about Nazism. Okay, so what led to Nazism and what are the effects of it, and you will also learn map. So in map you will learn to locate the world companies like Germany, okay, America, all the first world companies you have here, Mexico, Balkan Sea. So you'll have to learn the location of these. Okay, you will find in your textbook. Now next, national moment of India, moment in India. So partition and independence. So here again, all the moments. So all the moments you should have an idea of all the moments, like what is Quit India movement. Okay. So what is divide and rule policy, and what are the princely states which did not join India? Very important. Okay, princely states which did not join India. And what is the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, okay, in merging all the princely states, okay, and learn about Quit India movement, very important. It's an evergreen question. And so learn also the effects of partition of India, okay, India Pakistan. So learn about that effect. And again, you may be asked to give your comment or opinion on this partition of India or the princely states. Okay. So apart from it, now the next chapter, making of independent India's constitution. So in this chapter, you will learn what is Constituent Assembly, what is Constituent Assembly, what are the objectives of Constituent Assembly. Okay. And what do you mean by division of powers? So how are the powers divided and what is the importance of that? And also uh, learn the criticism. Okay, so learn the criticism of Dr. S. Seth. Okay, and on draft constitution. So what is this criticism? Please learn that. And also, what is the meaning of constitution? Okay, and what is the need of constitution for every country? And what do you understand by Indian federal system? What is the meaning of Indian federal system and how is it different from American federal system? And again, a pamphlet on social justice, okay, and the awareness of social justice among people. And learn about federal states and unitary states and unitary features. Okay, so how do you say that India is a federal state and what are the unitary features? So you will learn about that. Okay, so next, election process. So election process in India. So very important question is, what is universal adult franchise? And you will learn what is VVPAT and what are by-elections and why are they conducted, wherein are they conducted. And please learn the recommendations of T.N. Sheshan. And what is nota, what is the importance of nota, and what is the difference between general elections and midterm elections, and also suggest some measures. So comment on the measures which you can take for to prevent malpractices. So cheating or malpractices in elections. So what are the suggestions you can take? And also what is the code of conduct of elections? Okay, so elaborate on that. Code of conduct on elections, and you will have to elaborate on that. And what are the functions of Election Commission of India? Okay, Election Commission, EC. What are the functions of it? Okay, so functions and role of Elections Commission of India. And next, let us learn about independent India first 30 years. So here you will learn again what are the different symbols you have in election commission as introduced in general election. So what are the different symbols you have, and also what is the meaning of Indian foreign policy, very important. So what is a foreign policy? Okay, and also learn important legislations. So important legislations which happened during the period of Indira Gandhi. Okay, and learn about the socio-economic changes. Socio-economic changes which happened in the first 30 years, and learn about what are the situations which created emergency period, very important again, and what are the situations which happened during the emergency period, and also learn the role of Nehru. Okay, so learn the role of Nehru in bringing the socio-economic changes. So what do you say is the role of Nehru in the socio-economic changes in the first 30 years? Okay, so then you will learn about emerging political parties. So in emerging political parties, please learn similarities and difference between Assam movement and Punjab agitation. So Assam and Punjab agitation. So please learn the similarities and differences between these two movements, and what is Operation Barga, and what are the elements of economic liberalization, and what do you mean by left-wing political parties? Left-wing political parties. And also please learn, okay, so why is India called the testing period? So it is called this testing period of Indian democracy. So testing period of Indian democracy between 1975 to 85. Why is it called? So learn these questions. And now social movements. Social movements. So in this chapter, most importantly, learn about Miria Paibi movement and what are the features of social movement. Okay, features of social movement. And also learn about Bhopal gas strategy. Bhopal gas strategy. Tragedy. And also here also you'll have a poster or create a poster or pamphlet for environmental production. Environmental production. So three pamphlets still here I have given you. Okay. And next chapter is movement of Telangana state. So in this chapter, please learn what is the reason for growing discontent. Okay. So what is the reason for the Telangana agitation? What is the growing discontent in Telangana? Reasons for that, and list out the protest. Okay, different protest which they have done in Telangana movement. Okay, and also learn about announcement and withdrawal. Very important. So announcement and withdrawal. So we had announcement of Telangana and then withdrawal of the announcement. So you will learn about this announcement and withdrawal of Telangana state. Okay. And apart from this, you can also learn about demand for Vishalandra. Okay. Demand for Vishalandra. So that is enough. So these are the important questions which I want all of you to learn. Okay, so few are short are also included here. You may feel the number of questions are more, but short are also included and essay questions are included. And apart from this, learn all the bold letters. So map pointing is also included, posters are also included, pamphlets and posters. So learn all of this. These are short, very important questions, so which you cannot miss. So learn all of this and I'll see you all in the next session. So I think we will start polycet coaching from Monday. So I hope you will write tomorrow's exam also very well. So do write it well and take rest for Sunday. And from Monday we shall start again polycet training. Okay. So do share this channel with all your friends and let everyone see the channel, watch the channel because we are doing a lot of important content for you and your growth is our aim. So definitely do share it and do comment and let me know after the exam how did you write and how is your feeling of completing your exams, and if you feel that channel has contributed in any way in your growth, do let mention in the comments, and Instagram also I'm seeing all your messages. So thank you so much. So I'll see you all in the next session. Bye bye, take care.